Hey guys, it's Kelly. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing an unboxing for the Dollar Bead Box for September of 2025. If you're not familiar with the Dollar Bead Box, I have a coupon code BNJewelry2 for $2 off your first order with them. There's the Dollar Bead Box, $19.50 a month, and then there's a bead bag in there, a Dollar Bead bag that's $8 a month if you get it with your monthly subscription. If you get it one time, it's $10. So, yes, this is the bead bag. Oh my gosh, look at these. So you get 4 3mm strands and 4 4mm strands of check fire polish beads. So $1 a strand, you cannot beat that. That is a great deal. So it says September, step into the season with a palette that's as cozy as it is captivating. This month's features dreamy lavender, royal purple, and warm bronze, perfect for designs that echo falling leaves, golden sunsets, and a hint of magic. Whether you're crafting or for calm or drama, these rich tones are your muse. Okay. Oh, love, and I'm a purple girl. Oh, pretty. Oh, pretty. Ooh. Oh, let me get this all ready. I'll be right back. Okay. So, these are the 4mm. These are the 3mm ones. Let me line these up. I mean, I can't say enough about these. They're so gorgeous. I don't know if the camera is just picking up the beauty of these. I mean, they're so pretty, and they're $1 a strand. And these are the 3mm ones. And these are the 4mm ones. Look at these. I mean, these are stunning. So look at all of this together for $8 if you get it monthly. That is a lot of sparkle. This is a lot of sparkle. So I'm going to put these over here. I'm not going to bother going through each one and telling you what it is because I'm not really sure. They're also close together. I don't want to mislabel them. So we're going to do that. Now we're going to the strands. The strand, this is a 3x5mm check glass pearl in lavender. And there's 25 pieces. And then this is the one that goes with it. This is the 4x6mm check glass pearl in lavender. There's 20 beads on this strand and 25 on this strand. So pretty. I love their beads. And next we get 3x5mm check glass gem cut rondelle, purple or purple travertine, 25 pieces. So that's this. And next is 6mm check glass pearl in mystic purple, 20 pieces, or I think this is the 4mm check glass pearl mystic purple, 40 pieces. So it matches, pretty much matches these. This one's strand's just a little bit different. But you get some beautiful beads with this. And next is the 6mm check fire polish matte bronze hematite or vintage plum copper. I think this is matte bronze. So pretty. Oh my gosh. I can't wait to design with these. And look at all these. Oh, just want to sit here and stare at them for a while. And next is 4x5mm check glass pinch burls in purple caramel or purple caramel luster. I think this is purple caramel. I can't talk today. Purple caramel luster. I'm tongue-tied. I'm just stunned by these, the beauty of these. So yeah, so these are all of these gorgeous beads. And now we're gonna go to the next one. The next is a 15 millimeter check glass wide bead, lavender with travertine, one piece. And let me get my head pin. Where's it? Here it is. And that's where the hole is. So we've got that. And then next we have 8 millimeter check glass bellflower lavender travertine 8 pieces. So these are so pretty. And the hole goes right through the middle there. And next is 8 by 12 millimeter check glass tabular rectangles lavender opal with travertine. So these kind of all match, like that's the exact same. So, and they're the same. The table cut beads are always so pretty. Okay, and next is 5 millimeter brass nuggets, 12 pieces. And these can make, I've used these before as connectors. They have a unique shape. I don't know if you can see them, that, let me try and turn it on its side. They're really slippery, but they're kind of misshaped. So I don't know if you could see that. So they're a little skinnier on one side and they have a little thicker one on the other side. But you can use these for connectors too, with that hole with some jump rings. So there's a lot you can do with those. And next, gorgeous, 18 millimeter check glass rose opaque violet, 1 piece. This is gorgeous. Look at the detail in this. Okay. And then next is 22 millimeter check glass flower white opal. And this hole goes right through it. So it's like that. Look how pretty that is. Absolutely gorgeous. And then next, 6 millimeter check glass Drux matte violet rainbow or matte gunmetal, 14 pieces. I think this is, I don't know. I think it's gunmetal, but it could be the violet rainbow. I think it's gunmetal. Oh, I look at it now. So these are so pretty. And then next we have 14 millimeter check glass button beads, pink AB2X, 2 pieces. And these are always so much fun. Find a hole for these. Look how pretty they are. They're sparkly on both sides. These are really pretty for a pair of quick dangle earrings. So pretty. And then next are 8 millimeter check fire polished etched crystal, 12 pieces. I can't talk today, like I said. So here's, let me put a few on a, so they have a lot of that sparkle. Very pretty. Okay, and next I love these. These are the 14 millimeter Czech glass flowers, lavender with copper wash. 2 pieces. Let me find the hole. I have so many lights shining down on me that I can't find the hole here. I know it's right in front of me. Oh, I think this is it. Nope. Oh yeah, that's it. Okay, this one was a little easier to find. Okay, so there's your flowers. So pretty. I mean, you could even do like a little earring with these two. Have a dangle earring. And there's 2 more left. Next is Czech glass twisted rondelles, 6 by 8 millimeter, dark mauve, 8 pieces. And these are, let's put a few on. So they have a lot of detail if you look at them, like if you can see them looking down on them. They have a lot of detail to them. Very pretty. I love that they just give us a little bit of everything. It's like one little smorgasbord. And last but not least, 14 millimeter Czech glass cabochon in crystal heliotrope, 2 pieces. So that's that. So that's what the back looks like. You can bead around this cabochon if you like. Oh. I'm just, this is so pretty. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. And like I said, I will leave a link to Dollar Bead Box below. And if you use my coupon code BNJewelry2, you get $2 off your first with them. So this was $19.50, and then it was an extra $8 for the 8 strands of fire polish beads. So it's definitely worth the price. So let me know down in the comments what you thought of this. I love purple because I love prints. Prints in purple, Purple Rain. So yeah, so I will see you on my next tutorial. I'm going to be doing some tutorials from all of these unboxings I'm doing. And I hope you enjoyed them. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification bell. Give me a thumbs up. And even leave me a comment because it really helps my algorithms and it helps me to keep creating. I'll see you on my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.